Ray from Ray Turner Technologies. Today we're going to reset the date and time on your Bosch 6000 alarm system. Head over to the keypad, put your 4-digit master code in, followed by menu. Use the arrows to scroll down until you find system, press OK. Scroll down to clock, press OK. Select set date and time using the OK button, and there you can just use your arrows to toggle up and down or across to set the date and time. From there, once you've done that, just choose your date and your hours, and then you're going to press OK. And then to get out of that, you'll just use the menu buttons, menu back until you see exit, and then press OK to exit. Any issues, scan the QR code, get in contact today.